If you want to highlight an important message in Telegram so everyone in the chat, group or channel can find it quickly, pinning it is the easiest way to do that. In this video, I'll show you how to pin a message in Telegram step by step, and I'll also point out what to do if Telegram asks whether you want to notify members. This is a super useful feature for reminders, announcements, rules, links, or any message you want to keep visible at the top. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram on your device. Once Telegram is open, go to the chat, group, or channel where the message you want to pin is located. You can pin messages in private chats, group chats, and channels, but the exact options may look a little different depending on where you are. After you've opened the right conversation, find the message you want to keep at the top. On desktop, right-click the message. This will bring up a menu with several actions you can take. From that menu, click Pin. As soon as you choose Pin, Telegram may ask you if you want to notify members about the pin message. If you see that option, think about whether this is an important update that people should be alerted to right away. If it is, you can choose to notify members. If not, you can pin it quietly without sending a notification, depending on the permissions and settings in that chat. After that, click Pin to confirm your choice. Once confirmed, the message will be pinned and displayed at the top of the chat, so it's easy to access anytime. If you are in a group or channel, pinned messages are especially helpful for keeping everyone on the same page with announcements, instructions, or important updates. And that's it. You've now pinned a message in Telegram. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference when you want to organize information and keep important content visible. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.